Hello, hello, hello. Sunday. Testing, testing, testing. So here it is. Getting ready to go. Get fixed. Get the front end fixed up. But I don't know if anybody sees anything. Cool. Whoa. So anyway, I decided to call it, hold on. So that is what you see. Who has that on their go-kart? Anyway, it's Sunday. Hello, everyone. I thought I would just make a quick video. It's been a few days, and I've been busy with my other job. But it's going good. I changed the steering, and I'm just getting ready to go over to my friend's house so he could laugh at me. But he could look at this. This thing has a new name. And I think without Summer knowing, we're going to call it the Cob Web. Because it looks like a spider coming to get you. Cob Web. But it's going to be a pretty cobweb. So anyway, I just wanted to show everybody. There's a party going next door, so trying to keep the door shut. But yeah, just kind of getting it ready, just kind of changed the front. I didn't really like the old ones. That old setup with the different bars going everywhere. So I thought I would try this and see how to set this up. It just seems like a simpler steering mechanism instead of that other full one. But so yeah, it's been a few days, just kind of relaxing a little bit. But yeah, that fan's cool. Cools the brakes, cools the engine. I was gonna put it under there, but there's not a lot of room to get under there for a fan. Okay, so hope everybody has a great day. I'm gonna get back to you on this and let you look at it, but it's getting ready to go. So just going to wait to see when I could schedule a meeting with our good friend. I don't want to say his name until I can talk to him. So to see if he wants me to, and I could give you a clue. He's coming out of retirement at Speedway, Costa Mesa. Oh man, that might have been too much. So anyway, take care. Give you an update on this front end situation. So the way it is now, it's not gonna go to El Mirage. It's a little too crazy. Okay. Have a great night.